If you have searched the whole internet for how to earn money by sharing links, but have not got any legitimate methods to earn money, then you will be overwhelmed to know the various options that I will share with you. But before showing you options, I will tell you why these websites will pay you only for sharing links. The websites that I will show are not only link shortener, but it's more than that. It is a large marketing platform where advertisers and publishers can meet and do business. Advertisers are marketers, individuals, and businesses who want to promote their products and services to a specific group of people or audience. Publishers, on the other side, are the ones with the audience. Publishers who have traffic or an audience will want to monetize it. This is where websites like these come in. Publishers will use these websites to shorten links and distribute them to their target audiences. When people click on those links, they will see advertisements, and these websites will pay a portion of the advertising fee it charges businesses to its publishers. Publishers will be able to earn money this way, and businesses will be able to reach new customers. As simple as that. I hope you were able to understand how these websites will work and why they will pay you for only sharing links. But Mr. Moneyzilla, we don't have an audience where we will share these links, how we will get video links or blog links that can be shared, as we ourselves do not have any blogs or YouTube channel. You do not have to worry about that. I will explain you everything, just make sure you watch this video till the end. Now let's make money by sharing links. The first website on the list is Shrinkearn.com. Shrinkearn is a completely free tool that allows you to create short links that, in addition to being free, it's pay you. As a result, you can now earn money from home while managing and protecting your links. Here is the Shrinkearn website. I will provide each website link in my description box so you can check out the website through that link. There's nothing much to explain about these websites. Shrinkearn.com is a newly launched URL shortener company that offers high CPM rates. If you want to make money with Shrinkearn.com, shorten any long URLs with Shrinkearn tools and share those Shrinkearn shorten links on a blog, YouTube, Twitter, or anywhere else online. If a visitor clicks on your link, you will be paid a certain amount. Their payout rates vary depending on a variety of factors such as the number of clicks, the visitor's country, and so on. You can check their payout rate from here. They will you these much dollars if you get 1,000 views from these countries. Right now CPM for Greenland is high, which is $20 for every 1,000 views. These CPM changes every day or every week depending on the advertiser's requirements. The minimum cash out limit is only $5, making it very simple to meet. To make an account on Shrinkearn, just click on the sign up button you see right here. Create an account by filling your details and click on register. After making an account, just simply log into the website. I will also log into my profile. Here is my profile homepage. I will show you practically from where to get links of YouTube video or blogs that you can share. Make sure to watch till the end. Now, talking about the redeem option of this website has many payment options like Bitcoin, PayPal, Paysira, Payeer, etc. You can choose whatever option you like. Now let's move to second website. The second website is Adfly or Adfly. Adfly is a URL shortener that shortens a website's URL and then redirects a user to a skippable advertisement when the short link is clicked before redirecting a user to the destination URL. Adfly is one of the most established high-paying URL shorteners. It has a very good reputation for paying its link shrinkers or users like you on time, and a great place for advertisers to spend their marketing budget. Adfly is a reputable platform that is used by millions of people, over 5 million registered users, on a daily basis, resulting in millions of clicks and views. Here you can also see these much amount of clicks has been made today. This proves that Adfly is a massive platform used by millions of people. You can see their payout rates of this site by clicking on payout rates. As told before, payout rates keep changing. The payout limit is not very high, it is as low as $5. Yes, that's right. If you want to make money with Adfly, you must first create a new account in order to shorten links and distribute them in order to generate clicks and revenue. To make an account on Adfly, click on Join Now button. Fill the details like your name and email address. Make sure to choose Link Shrinker under account type when making an account. Once your account is set up, you can shrink any link in your dashboard and then share it with others so they can click on it. Isn't it simple? It is, after all, quite simple. You can redeem your money through PayPal or Payeer. Now let's move with the third website because I know you are very curious to earn money by sharing links. The third website is Clk.sh. Clk.sh is a tool for shortening URLs. Advertisers will promote their services or products, as with any other ad network, and publishers will earn money by promoting shortened links. The minimum payout of this website is also $5. You can pay out using PayPal, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Perfect Money. More than 64,000 users have been registered with this website, with 28,417,015 amount of total links created and 10,422,374 the total number of clicks. To create an account on this site, just click on Sign Up option you see at the top right corner. Fill your details and click on Register. After registering, simply log in and create your links. This website also has high amount of CPM. If I click on Publisher Rates to show you CPM. Here you can see these are the CPM of all these countries. Now you have seen websites that will pay you for sharing links. Now let's see from where to get content and how to share it. I will give you an example of sharing in YouTube video. Go to your YouTube app. Search for any video that you would like to share. Like I want to share my own videos. I will go to my channel. Like I want to promote this video, then I will open that video. Below the video you will find an option called Share. Click on it and just copy the link that it will show. Then go to any of the website that I have shown. For this example I will go to Adfly. Log into your profile. Here's my Adfly profile. I will paste the link that I have copied here. Click on Shorten the link. Your link will get shortened. Now copy the shortened link. After you have copied your link, open your Facebook account. On the search bar, search for the keywords that are related to your video. Like my video is related to make money online, so I will search for make money online. After searching the keyword, apply the filter for groups only by clicking on the groups. Now, all the groups made on that keyword or related to that keyword will be shown. Open any of the group you like. Like I want to share my link in this group, so I will click on this group. There are around 2 lakhs people added in this group. So you can imagine the amount of traffic that I can get from this group. Now to share your link, you have to make a post on this group. Click on Create a Public Post, and write a 2 to 3 lines post like if you want to make money online without any investment. You can watch this video. Every methods is explained in depth. Now I will paste the link that I have copied. Click on Post. Now my link has been posted. Every viewer that will be interested in such video will click on that link and I will be paid for every 1,000 click. You can do this trick with other groups also. You have to just copy the video link that you want to share, go to any shortener that you like. Go to your Facebook profile and get paid. It's that simple. You can do such tricks with Twitter, Reddit and blog comments also. So these were the methods from which you can make money by sharing links. If you got to learn a new way from this video, then hit the like, share, and subscribe button as I post regular videos on how to earn money online. I will meet you with another video.